Hello friends, I am Rashmi in Seattle and today I am at Meta office in Bellevue. Today we are diving into a dream so many have, getting into top tech companies like Meta. Meta, formerly known as Facebook, isn't just a company, it's a world of innovation. It's a place where engineers, researchers, designers and dreamers come together to build a future from AI and virtual reality to social connectivity. Let's begin our tour of the Meta Campus, a space designed to spark creativity, connection, and innovation. Right here is the espresso bar, where you can craft your own coffee, sourced from beans all over the world. They even host barista style coffee making workshops for employees. How cool is that? Meta offers beautifully designed spaces where you can relax and work at your best. Open space is brought to life with art installations curated to ignite imagination and fuel creative thinking. It's not just an office, it's an experience. And just take a moment to admire the lush greenery. But wait, this park? You won't believe it, it's actually on the second floor of the campus, a sky high garden that gives new meaning to work life balance. Of course, one of the most talked about perks, the food. Right now, I'm standing inside the rotating kitchen where the menu changes every single day, from juicy grilled chicken to rich desserts and global cuisines, all complimentary for Meta employees. These are just a few of the perks that make working at Meta such a dream. But now, let's meet someone who actually works here and hear what it's like from the inside. Hello friends, this is Rashmi in Seattle. Have you ever wondered how it feels to land a job in a big IT company? So, there's a treat for you. Today I am sitting with someone who has cracked almost all the big giant IT tech companies interview. So let's jump into it. Hi Madhu,
Hello,
how are you?
I'm good.
Just introduce yourself and a bit of background about you.
Yeah, I'm Madhur. I'm neighbor. I'm your neighbor, and yeah, I've been working with Meta for last 1 year. Before this, I was in Microsoft, and before that, I was in Amazon. The last 1 year has been exciting working for Meta. Been working on some really interesting things. So yeah, I'm having fun.
It's
Yeah,
a good life in Meta.
it is a good life in Meta.
So, you have really a remarkable journey. You have worked with almost all the big tech giant companies, Amazon, Microsoft. Now you're in Meta. So there are a lot of young graduates around the globe who have a dream to land a job in a big IT company. So what would be your advice for them or a number one tip for them?
Yeah, I think coming from a computer science background, I would say being proficient in data structures and algorithms. One thing that is, from interview perspective, is valued a lot over here is the speed at which you do things and the accuracy. Other than that, having good experience at design of large-scale distributed systems and being able to, kind of think about creative solutions is what I would ask the new grads to focus on. Yeah.
How can they make their resume to stand out? How to build a great resume?
Yeah, I think being curious is really important. If you are curious, then you can build skills like owning the problem, being able to deep dive, dealing with ambiguity is really important, and it should reflect from your resume. The work that you pick up should have created that impact. Impact is a big keyword here in Meta, and if you follow those principles, I think your resume would project that.
So in today's world where there is a lot of competition, what are the skills required or education or qualification, exactly what is needed?
I think a computer science degree definitely helps, but I would say one unique thing about this field is it changes so fast. So again, you have to be curious and kind of gather knowledge on a regular basis so that you are up to date. And yeah, I think along with your education, if you have that attitude, you would have a good time in this field.
So, what were your resources while preparing for a job interview?
So I have done Top Coder as I was, in my undergrads, and then obviously there is Lead Code for problem solving. But in general, there is highscalability.com where you'll see real world designs being done. There is a book that I would highly suggest is the Designing Data Intensive Applications. In the world of AI, you can definitely leverage ChatGPT to run your ideas, because I think that is very close to the interview simulation. Unlike before the AI, where it's more a one-way preparation, but with ChatGPT you can kind of simulate the two-way conversation for the design at least.
So, landing a job in a big IT company is not a magic, but it is a practice, consistency, and a right mindset. Thank you for spilling some secrets about your cracking interview, and thank you for your precious time.
Yeah, thank you.
Thank you so much.
Yep.
If you work at Meta, you are not just doing a job, you are helping shape how the world connects. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for my real tech stories. Thank you. Bye bye.